Hello everybody and welcome to another ThemeCraft tutorial video. My name is David and this is our third and final installment of our BuddyForms Hook Fields tutorial series. If you haven't watched the first two videos, I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can check them out and come right back to this one. In this video, we'll be learning how to use Gutenberg blocks in order to display form values in a post, page, or profile. But before we get started, I have a favor. We're almost at 400 subscribers on the ThemeCraft channel, so if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying our videos, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button to stay updated with our content, and give this video a like to show us your support. Alright, I'll thank you in advance, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm using my locally installed WordPress, the same one I've been using in tutorials 1 and 2. If we go to BuddyForms here is our form that we named Books. And if we go check it out, we have a title field, content, text, drop-down test field, and I also added a featured image field. We also learned how to make templates, so if we go to our template tab, we have my awesome template. And here I only changed the wording here, so please select an option, and we have the drop-down slug right here. And write a little bit about yourself with the test field slug. So the next thing we're going to learn is how to use Gutenberg blocks in order to implement form values in posts. So for that, we'll navigate to Appearance, and we have our active theme, which is 2022, and we'll hit Customize. We can work with various templates. So if we just navigate here, go to Templates, and we'll go to Single Post. All right, and as you can see, this is our single post template right here. So we have our title, we have our featured image right here, and our post content is going to be displayed underneath. So if we wanted to spice things up a little bit, we'll hit the plus button right here, and we'll search for BuddyForms form field value. And we can click that and drag it to wherever we like. So I'll just put it right above the title. And as you can see in the sidebar right here, it has switched to the block tab. And now it gives us an option to select a form. So the only form we have is books, and to select a field. So we have plenty of fields to choose from. So for example, we'll choose a featured image right here. And as you can see, field featured image value will be displayed right above the post title. And of course, you can drag and drop it wherever you like afterwards as well. But I'm just gonna keep it right above there. So let's add a little bit more. We'll drop another one right here. We'll go books, and we'll go test field. We'll add another one. Drop that right there. And maybe we'll choose the drop down. Maybe we'll add a separator. Put that right there. So we've used the BuddyForms Gutenberg block to add a featured image value just above our post title, and then just below the post title we've included the test field value and the drop-down value separated by a separator. You can choose a color on that as well, and you can basically add as many blocks as you want and order them any way that you like. If you're happy with what you've done, hit save and save. And what we're going to do right now is I'll fill out a brand new form and see how it's turned out. So I'll just go here and open this in a new tab. We'll go to BuddyForms. I'll view my form, and let's quickly fill this out. So my new awesome post. This is the greatest content ever. The text. Just some simple text. We'll choose option B, test field. I like to go on long walks on the beach. And for the featured image, let's just upload the last video's thumbnail. All right, and we'll hit submit. Form submitted successfully, and now let's see how that's turned out. We'll go back to the dashboard and go to posts. Here's our new posts. And let's go view. And as you can see, everything that we have set up is displayed exactly how we wanted it. So right here at the top, we have our featured image, just the way we put it in our template. We have our post title, and underneath we have the test field value and the drop down separated by a white separator. And that's exactly what we have right here. And underneath we have our featured image and the post content, which is displayed just like that. And that's how easy it is to use BuddyForms Gutenberg blocks in order to add form values to posts or pages and arrange them in any way that you like. So I hope you can truly appreciate the power of the Gutenberg blocks and the simplicity and quickness of the whole process. Again, if you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button, and I encourage you to leave a comment down below saying what your favorite feature about BuddyForms is. Again, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 400 subscribers. It'll be a big milestone for us, so thank you for watching. This has been David from Thinkcraft, and I'll see you in the next video.